But I think all of you, especially share with Okirimaine, Dietary Wahamakuru, I think he was the vision carrier or bearer. Todo fata wa economic progs, ivataira komira progs area follow you korogona chuna kuja. Together ehote ko enhance the economic growth. For example, nalikuwa kuna kinya a discussion na proposal ati leli ne kuma Naikuru, Nanyuki, evi around the Kirima, evi Kinyamero, eshoke evi Nyadarua. Together communication and logistics na trade eike. Especially economic blocks shia focus maudu mere. Inter county trade and intra county trades. Niko kora nagio Muranga na Nyeri na Nyandarua wali mahura biashara ya inter todo inter ne county to county mahura ga biashara igana ate kana within the GDP the gross product domestic product ya county at the county level igana ate ugo nugo the regional economic blocks shia pataira wika. Unfortunately, they do. She go new do. I think it's more of compliance, na comfort. Aduma kibane tole nigino ke hari a percentage of resources iviyaga hari the economic broker. Ko bushiria ishia dia ko enhance inter and intra counties trade. Na muno chia badira korogora ya kile tuta comparative advantage. Together build your competitiveness. Nikuga tereri Nyeri ni ati ikaga mwega gukira Nyandarua so that Nyandarua de gokovia uri Nyeri ikaga no ni mukura biashara na products na services issue. Atiri bata wala ikibia kwa beli ya kulima kahua todo kinya ona matire kinya infrastructure na matire kinya ona the competencies. Iyo ne gereka ndio ni marali makahua ogithie Nyandarua ruri Nyandarua ne guhirie kwa nukieni koguo nikitu ugithoma through the regional economic block kuma Nyandarua turehe Nyeri turehe Kiambu. So gwiciria how not worried, but very viable the economic blocks. Todo wira wasio new kuria wa the economies of the counties. The thing was economy cia counties ikikurari ni kuona the GDP ya bururi ne yakura na kurogoreria uciarithia mbeca nyingi na mieke ya mawira na opportunities within the counties ukira gwiciria ohoro wa the centralized government. Ogo nikyo the regional economic block shoka komila like what you have the East Africa community as economic block. Now go putukari on the learning curve. Maybe the next we are to need the devolution ya kinya miaka 10 go ikoro maundu maria twaiko tugithomete na hii aria maogi ukagu take over
tata jake ni mwagura kaundu